Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Hope you guys are having an awesome Christmas day. Had a few minutes to get away from family, so I thought I would put out a quick little video here. First and foremost, I want to thank you guys for helping build the channel over the last 3 to 4 months. I've been having a ton of fun putting out these videos. Been learning a ton about the market. Thank you guys very much for all your suggestions on things to read up about, as well as individual stock picks. I really thank you guys for that. And I hope through my videos, some newer investors out there have learned a little bit about investing like I have. That's the whole idea behind these videos, is not only for myself to learn, but to kind of share what I've learned and kind of guide you through my investing journey so far. So I don't want to make a long video today on Christmas. I know you guys have probably better things to do, but kind of just wanted to jump in, put out a video here. A lot of you guys have been asking about cheap stocks. Don't want to put a lot of money into Robinhood because of either haven't really bought and sold individual securities before, or you haven't been on the platform before, are a little bit skeptical of no commission trading on a smartphone application. So I thought I'd go through and highlight a few stocks that are very, very affordable, but I think very good stocks, not only for day and swing trading, but to hold for the long term. So kind of with that, I'll dive into my portfolio here. So a lot of my stocks are in the $40 to $50 range, a few up into the lower 80s, upper 90s, and a few are $200 plus. As you can see here, a lot of my ETFs on top here are $40 to $90. A good play in the pharmaceutical companies is PFE there, Pfizer 3248, a very affordable company. It's got a great dividend payment attached to this stock, quarterly payment. Current dividend yield is 3.696%. So this is a very, very good stock moving forward. Speculative play, Portola, PTLA, put a video out a couple days ago how this thing has surged up from being a relatively disappointing stock for quite some time. I think it's also fairly cheap. It's going to have a big FDA approval coming out in the spring for its real breakthrough drug. If that's approved, I can see that stock doubling in price. Moving down my portfolio, GE, Dividend Aristocrat. This is a very good long-term play. Company that's been around for 100 years, a large cap, blue chip company. It's got a good dividend yield, 3.012% currently. So I think that's also a very good stock to get into. One of my favorite stocks in the middle here, actually in the top now, Ford, American automotive company, as you guys know, blue chip, high dividend yielding stock. Large market cap, $50.43 billion. It's got a great dividend yield, 4.819, and I think it's got a great long-term potential, and it's very, very cheap, $12.45. I think that would be an excellent stock to buy for new investors, and/or those investors who don't have a lot of capital but want to get some experience buying and selling stocks. I've been day trading and swing trading Ford for quite some time, and you can see there I have a very large position that I'm going to be holding long as well. Moving further down my portfolio here, a couple financial stocks I want to highlight. HBAN, this is a very, very good stock. Huntington Bank shares, you can see here. It's got a good dividend payment, 2.385%. Market cap, a little bit lower than the other companies, $14.56 billion, so technically still a large cap. It's a great company. It's been around forever. I'm holding that one long. Another one is a stock I just recently picked up. I only have a share. ORI, Old Republic International, an insurance company. Got a great dividend yield, 3.922%. This stock has been around forever as well. So this is a very good stock, a cheap stock to add to any portfolio. On the bottom here, stock that doesn't have a dividend yield, but it's a company that I was swing and day trading for a little while when I first opened up my portfolio. AMD, unfortunately, if you guys are buying it now, you've kind of missed the upswing. You know, 3 months ago when I bought some of this and was swing trading, it was trading, as you can see here, less than $7. It's currently $12, and it's really spiked up quite a bit over the last week and month. So that's been a very, very good play for me. I still think it's a good play to get into and hold for the long term. And a few more stocks on the bottom here. CNP, I like this stock. I think this is a good buy and hold stock. Centerpoint Energy Incorporated, a little less well known than the other stocks, but it's got a good dividend yield, 4.149%. Energy is a little bit speculative right now, a little bit risky, but I think it's a good play moving forward. And then on the bottom here, I got some closed-end funds. These are much more risky. Out of these, I do like BHK here. This is a BlackRock Core Bond Trust Fund. You can kind of see on the bottom here. Actually, is there any info? Does not give any info on this particular stock, but I've had this for a while. Don't have a large position in this particular stock. You can see the dividend yield 6%. This is a very, very good stock to, again, add to any portfolio. It's fairly cheap and fairly accessible to investors without a lot of capital to invest. So yeah, just kind of wanted to go through very quickly, highlight some stocks that I think are very, very good plays, that are cheaper, that could be added to any portfolio. It can definitely be added to a portfolio to kind of test out buying and selling stocks within the Robinhood portfolio platform. So yeah, just wanted to talk a little bit about my portfolio with regards to some cheaper stocks that I have. There's a lot more cheap stocks out there that are good that I may be adding to my portfolio. If you guys have any good ideas, let me know as well. So again, kind of with that, I'll end the video. If you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. I've been having, like I said, a ton of fun putting out these videos. Hopefully you've been learning a little bit. I've learned a lot since opening this portfolio and putting out these videos. So again, I hope you guys had a good Christmas day. And with that, I'll kind of end the video, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.